So ayan guys, good morning. At nandito na tayo sa sa cave. Cave ba to? Cave daw. Pupunta daw tayo sa cave. Pero sa kasamahang palad guys, no. Nagbubook si Mrs. sa online. Wala tayong walang mabook kasi fully book daw. Puno na daw at wala nang Pero sabi doon na kung maaga kang pumunta, makakakuha ka ng ticket. So, tinry lang namin dito pumunta guys na walang ticket. So, ayan, kung makakuha man tayo, okay. Pero kung hindi, okay lang din. Puntan natin ng next day siguro. Pero kung wala, ayan, nagle-lecture na sila doon. Ako, nandito pa lang. Kasi nag-park ako. Tapos siniwan ko na sila sa online. So sana lang makakuha tayo guys. Para hindi na tayo babalik dito. Bukas o kaya next day. At makapasal pa tayo ng mga ibang pagpasyalan dito sa South Dakota. Sana makakuha tayo ng ticket para mapasyal natin tong cave. Here we go.
So far so good. I'm going to pick it up a little bit, so pay attention, all right? We put 30 people max on a walking tour, on the scenic tour, 20 people max on the discovery tour, okay? Couple quick caveats about the scenic tour. It's a well-lit modern-day walking path, metal stairs and handrails, nothing crazy, but we didn't make up the number. 734 stairs is real. So again, if anybody has bad back, bad knees, mobility, breathing issues, I don't know your medical records, and I don't care, but you do. So I'm asking you guys to trust me like I trust you, okay? Don't get it over your skis. I don't need any medical or safety issues in the cave. It does happen very rarely, but it's ugly and you become immediately less popular. It screws up your tour and even tours before you, and many times obviously tours after you. So please be considerate of your other visitors as well. That's why we offer the Discovery Tour. If anybody has any issues with stairs or you're hiked out from the Black Hills, no problem. Just please pick the tour that's best for you guys and your group, okay? So we don't have any issues. All right, another quick caveat, final about the scenic tour. We love our junior rangers here. 5 and under even go free on that tour, okay? Most of them have more energy than Ranger Steven, but here's the deal. If anybody's taking a 5 and under on the scenic tour, one of two things has to happen with 0 exceptions, so pay attention. Either he or she has to be in the front carrier, no back carriers allowed in the cave whatsoever. Front carrier man, please, out of the street with him for safety. Get up on the sidewalk, please. Thank you. All right, so either he or she has to be in a front carrier, no back carriers allowed in the cave, or he or she has to be able to navigate all 734 on their own. Make sense? So again, we're all about safety first. You can hold his or her hand, help them navigate the tour route, but at no time on any tour that I offer you is anybody picking up a child of any shape or size, even for a moment, to hold them in the cave, let alone carry them on the tour route. So far, so good? All right, so if anybody's buying same-day walk-in tickets, we appreciate your cooperation. You're going to be with Ranger Jackson. Ranger Jackson will take care of you. We are credit card only. We're a cashless system. Please have your credit card ready. If anybody booked online with recreation.gov, if I saw some PDFs or reservations, you're going to go to this queue right here, to this line, or Ranger Road to get you checked in. All right, so now we're going to do a little quick safety bullet point stuff that's very important for the cave. All right, please, small items, and I do mean small. Keys, wallet, cell phone, totally fine. Handheld camera, totally fine. Camera with a neck strap, totally fine. What doesn't go in my cave? Anything else, so don't ask me. Watch my signs and sandwich boards again. What does that mean to you, crew? That means no bags, no packs, no purses, no...
And guys, bawal daw ang nakatsinelas. Buti na lang may sapatos tayo dito. Ayan. Sapatos tayo guys. Kasi maganda magtsinelas pag nagdadrive lang guys kasi. Nagchichinelas ako pag nagdadrive na dito. Ito sa cave. Bawal daw magtsinelas. Ayan. Sapatos tayo. Let's go na. Ayan. Okay na to. Tour ticket. So, bubuha na tayo ng ticket guys. Smell! Smell! Abi ni Papa naka-strip mo. So nakakuha tayo ng ticket guys. Pero sa Discovery lang tayo. Hey!
Punta kami dun sa gitna.
So pag bungad mo pa lang guys, nandito na yung shelter nila. Yan. So doon, National Park Service. Tapos ito yung restroom nila. So ito, papasukin natin itong ano, park. Para makita na picture nila guys. Wow. Oh, mayroon din silang ano dito. Souvenir. May souvenir tayo. Wait lang, parang nagkano sila dun ng ano. Pila na ba to? Oh, yan, ang daming souvenir. Nasaan na sila? Yun.
It also shows us where we're headed today. If you look right there, that red circle in the middle of our cave, well, that for our convenience right down there. Heading straight into that yellow goon, that is our target room right below us. We're making a half mile to the front of this island cabin. That's the local level we started at. Now, keep in mind that
It isn't until Jan Kahn, famed climbers of the Black Hills, team up with geologist Dwight Deal to start exploring the cave.
Gotti, you want me to help you with a picture or just shoot the video?
It's okay.
Making sure you're all good. Okay.
Thanks.
And go.
So, ayan guys, dahil 10:45 pa tayo papasok at nag-restroom muna tayo dito sa labas. Ayan o. Alam na makikita mo dito. So far so good. Fresh air. Tsaka hindi siya mainit kahit naglalakad ka guys. Hindi mainit kasi daming kahoy. Tapos yan o, lalalim mo. Creek. Ikot-ikutin lang natin dito guys muna. Explore. Siyempre, para masulit yung biyahe natin. Ganda. Nature walk muna tayo guys. Easy! Catch you. So habang naglalakad tayo guys, dito ko maupo sa Jewel Cave chair. And so dyan guys. Tapos dyan. Yun guys oh. Diba?
Welcome on in.
Let's go. So finally guys, nandito na tayo. Naka-enter na tayo sa gate nila. Papasok na tayo sa cave daw. Pero hindi po yung ano yung pupuntahan natin yung dangerous. Yung ano lang pupuntahan natin. Yung Discovery. Discovery ba? Yeah. Discovery lang. So ito yung ticket. Pakita ko sa inyo. So ito yung ticket namin guys. 21 US. Ano natin? 5 kami. So yan yung presyo nila. So yan guys, let's go inside now.
Here? So I'll give you the choice. We can stand here and all just look at each other in silence, or we can go ahead and get started.
Go ahead.
You know, You do? Awesome. I don't, which is why my job is to and our cave safe. Best way we can keep ourselves safe is we want to make sure you're watching your footing, because there are some curbs, there are some steps, the optional stairs you can use, and most importantly, especially for me, there's a big boulder right in the middle.
So, guys, nandito tayo sa loob. Napasok na tayo.
And we don't want our artificial entrances that's coming through our historic entrance 1 mile west of us and through the entirety of our cave and on and back out. So we don't want to impact that.
Yan, in-open na guys. Oh, hello na tayo guys. Oh,
Yeah, you're welcome. Very welcome.
wow, so good. Ayan na guys, dito tayo sa loob guys ha. Oh. Wow. Dinay na may daday rin ah.
Ako, hindi na namin na.
Okay.
I sacrifice to make sure that it really is easy to trip over. You don't need to practice trying yourself. Okay. You'd think so. I think I could too, but
Nope. Of course. Nope.
got some confident no's, some confident yeses. Excellent. Well, I'm with the no crowd myself, but the Michaud brothers, they decided to try it. They couldn't fit. So they went home and got some dynamite, looked around, and they saw beautiful sparkling crystal, like what we can see up here. It showed up in pockets like this one here. Also, continuing to spin around our room here. All those white that we can see. Taha limestone. Taha Sapa is the Hilda for Hills of Black. We're literally calling it Black Hills limestone. We're not always very crazy when we teach them.
Like a share sheet.
So the limestone makes up the majority of where our cave can be found, but eventually it cracked and was dissolved away by carbonic acid. And that carbonic acid made explorers will now spend up to 4 days and 3 nights down here, macking it out, making new discoveries. Some of those are pretty big, like the large.
So yan, mag-explore na daw tayo guys. Baba na daw tayo. Make care on ano na. Adventure. Tapos na yung lecture. Ito, pa. Apakabidatan. Oh, ito pala yung ano nila. Oh my God. Hindi na pwedeng mag-down doon. Kasi malalim na guys. Oh no. Other side. Oh, dito, pwede dito. Dito, pwede. No, pwede yan. Oh. So, pwede doon. Sa malalim. Pwede dyan. May harang. O baka tajin trans na dyan ko ah. Di mapanji dangerous. Dangerous cave. So guys, hanggang dito lang tayo. Kasi parang wala na yung ticket kasi ito lang yung free. Ito na lang yung hindi puno.
Hindi natin kinuha yung isa kasi wala.
Yeah, hindi namin kinuha yung isa kasi puno na. At saka marami tayong pupuntahan. At least napuntahan natin to guys. So, ayan guys, tapos na tayo sa cave. Tagal natin naghintay. Tapos 20 minutes lang tayo doon. Pero doon lang tayo sa bungad. Okay? Bungad lang yung pinuntahan natin. Pero yung meron silang mahaba, medium, meron silang Doon lang, bungad, may mas mahaba, 1 hour and something minutes. O 1 hour and 30 minutes yata yung pangalawa. Yung pangatlo guys, nakikita nyo yung ano, ayan, asan na? Ayan, nakikita nyo yan? Ayan na. Up, yan, up, yan. Punta ka sa cave, dun titestingin ka nila dyan. Papasuot ka dyan. Kung kasya ka, pwede ka. Makapasok ka sa cave talaga. Yun ang pinakamahirap daw na pupuntahan. So, yan lang guys. At ito lang tayo. Ay, salamat sa Panginoon. Anong blessing nibigyan sa atin at mag-ingat lagi tayo. Tara na sa next adventure natin. Saan na ba? Tara sa Coaster State Park. Okay, let's go. Whew! Pagod guys. Ang layo. Yan o. Ang layo. Ang layo talaga.